Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to log out with Skype. In order to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Go ahead and press the bell icon, so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Go to your Skype application and tap it open. You can also visit your web browser and type in Skype.com. Sign into your account like you normally do, enter your credentials, and tap on the next button. Type in a password for your account. Make sure to type in a correct password every time you log into your account for a smooth login. In case you forgot your password, tap on Forgotten Your Password right below the box. And follow the instructions to reset your password after entering your password correct. Tap on the Sign In button in order to log into your account once you're in. This will be your home screen for your Skype account. In order to log out of Skype, tap on your initial at the top of the screen at the upper right corner. You'll be able to see a Sign Out button to log out of Skype. Simply tap on Sign Out from the pop-up. Select Yes in order to confirm that you want to sign out of the account. And with this you'll be logged out of your Skype account in no time. That is how it is done, pretty simple and quick. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.